Famous teacher and writer Professor Emeritus Sir Munjur Islam. He has been admitted to Leavitt Hospital in Dhaka after he had a severe heart attack today. His colleague Professor Fukram told the Daily Star that doctors found blockages in his heart and placed 2 stents to help his blood flow. Professor Sud Munjur is now being treated in the coronary care unit of the hospital. Professor Alom said on Friday morning he had a major heart attack and was taken to a private hospital after tests. Doctors confirmed the heart attack and did surgery. 2 stents were inserted to clear the blockages. He is now under close observation and his condition has improved. Professor Sud Munjur Islam is a retired English professor from Dhaka University and later taught at the University of Liberal Arts Bangladesh ULAB. His well-known books include Thakar Na Thakar Golpo, Kach Bhanga Rater Golpo, Andhokar o Alo Dekhar Golpo, Ajku Birat Tin Porer Jibon, and Nandon Totto. He received the Bangla Academy Literary Award in 1996 and the Ekushe Bhadok in 2018 for his great contribution to Bangla literature.